Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this mini tutorial I will help you figure out the issue that you might have with your website. The situation is the following. You have just launched your website, you hit publish on production in webflow and something happens. You open it on a browser that gives you one of these errors. In the case of my client, what happened was that after the transfer of the site plan CMS to the starter site that I did cover on a previous tutorial, which you can check in the upper right corner, we did that and we transferred the site plan to the new website, but also the domain name that was paid also transferred to the new website. But what happened was that the domain name had the information of this website, which had the CMS plan, and the data for that website, not the new one. So the mismatch created this error that you can see. To fix this issue, we easily did the following. I told to my client to contact their host provider and follow the instructions provided from webflow, which are here, and enter the information from the new website for the domain name and get the issue sorted. And with just a couple of steps, with updating the information of the website that is holding the domain name at the moment, we fixed the issue, and after a couple of hours the website was available to preview on every single browser. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and if you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more informative tutorials, and also comment and share with a friend. See you in the next one. Bye!